Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for tuning back into Derek Barron Productions for another video. Before we actually hop into today's video and break the awesome news, we do have a video sponsor, and that video sponsor is going to be VoIPscan. For those of you watching this video right now, if you have ever made an international call, whether it's to somebody deployed or, friends and family in different countries, you know it can get quite expensive and kind of annoying. That's where VoIPscan is going to come in. With the VoIPscan app, guys, when you first sign up, you're going to get free credits to your account to where you can make free international calls. I mean, it is free. How could you beat that? This VoIPscan application is downloadable for iOS and Android. Links are going to be in the description, so make sure you go download it. With VoIPscan, guys, if you're looking to start a brand or, need some promotion, you can actually send in your content to VoIPscan. They will post it, and it will be seen by over 100,000 users. Remember, guys, if you're interested, links are in the description, iOS and Android. And I just want to thank you, VoIPscan, for sponsoring today's video. Alright, it's getting serious right now, right? Yeah, you should know that. So I am about to give you guys the fattest what is going on, everyone. Derek here today bringing you another video. I have to do this right because I have some really big news. I can't break it to you quite yet until we get done with this intro. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, and I'm getting boosted. God damn it. Kind of screwed the pooch on that one. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. Well. You are reading from the title and thumbnail of this video, guys. And I truly don't know what to tell you. Well, I know what I have to tell you, but I kind of want to milk this, I ain't gonna lie. Lucifer. I don't truly think you understand what's coming your way, buddy. Just know, Daddy loves you. I can't believe this is actually happening. What is life right now? Get it together, Derek. Get it together. Can't let the fans down. Gotta just lay it out how it is. So, guys, last week, many of you may have seen the video where Vmp Performance actually called me.
Hello.
Hey, JD.
Yeah, this is him.
Hey, how's it going, man? This is Derek.
Hey, nice to speak with you, brother. What's going on?
Nothing much, man. Nothing much. I'm actually gonna stop right there because a lot of you called me out on my bullshit and said, didn't you call VMP? Which is actually true. I did call them, but they told me to call. So that's still kind of them reaching out. Whatever. So VMP and myself were actually on the phone for some time. As of 2-3 months ago, guys, I told you I want to get this car boosted. I want to start making some content to where I can keep up with certain cars. The car is currently sitting at 400 wheel horsepower, which is essentially almost stock. All that's done is an off-road X-pipe and a custom flim-flam dyno tune. But yeah, guys, I want to say we're actually coming up on our 1-year anniversary of owning this car. I'm actually going to go ahead and just drop a little recap clip because I think it's very necessary. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my, it looks so much better in person. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, man. So back to what I was saying about wanting to get the car boosted. I want to get this car to a certain level. It's not anything really crazy as of right now because I heard once you get boosted on a stock Gen 1, it just becomes a terrible addiction. And no, I don't smoke drugs. I mean, gambling's a different story. But on a serious note, guys, when it comes to this car, I just want to get it to a certain point to where I love the way it looks, which we're almost there. It's at about 85% to where I want it. There are a couple change-ups I am going to do within the next year or so. Other than the cosmetic and, the exterior mods and stuff, my interior is where it's at. Maybe just add a touchscreen or Apple CarPlay, whatever. But it really boils down to wanting this Coyote at a power level to where, I can have fun with it. I could beat a lot of cars with it, but I don't have to go pull the motor, get it built, and spend my whole entire life savings. In the past, I've actually mentioned about putting like a Pro Charger, Paxton, centrifugal blower on this, and I've kind of fell in love with the root styles, I'm not gonna lie. Many of you guys know a close buddy of mine by the name of Joel Miranda has a really nice Whipple 2.9 liter supercharged California Special, and that car, guys, truly changed my whole outlook on superchargers. I'm in fucking love right now. makes me smile. What can I say? How can you not fall in love with that? That's what I want to do to this car, guys, and that's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. We're getting a Vmp Gen3R Supercharger, guys.
What's up, Derek and the DBP squad? It's JD with Vmp. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and you know, we're really excited. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet though. Here's how short and sweet. This is your car. This is your car on Vmp. We'll see you June 1st. Peace. But seriously though, Derek, we're super excited to work with you. We look forward to having you down here the first week of June. Big thanks to you and the DBP squad, all the tags on Instagram, all the comments on YouTube. Guys, thank you for interacting with us. We really appreciate it. We look forward to making a whole lot of content and having a great time while you're down here. We'll see you soon, man. Have a good one. Be safe.
Yeah. Holy fuck! I don't know if you guys can tell, but I still can't wrap my mind around this. We're not talking about a centrifugal supercharger. We're not talking about a nitrous kit. We're not talking about full bolt-on. We are talking about a full Vmp Gen3R supercharger kit. I'm talking head unit. I'm talking smallest pulley made to man. I'm talking E85. I'm talking 850 wheel horsepower. All right, let me calm down a little bit. I might be boosting a little too much. No pun intended. No, on a serious note, we are talking about a fresh, out-of-the-box Vmp Gen3R Supercharger for Blucifer here. I don't know about you guys, but that gets me solid. Honestly, so crazy to take all this in right now because it happens so fast. And, you know, as far as a couple weeks ago, or even last week, for example, when I made that whole video of VMP Called, literally an hour after editing that video, and let me remind you, it wasn't posted yet. They called me mid-haircut and were like, we want to talk. We want to offer you a deal. I know what to say. All I know is my haircut lady was not happy because I was on the phone for a minute. But it was okay. I still got my fade and left. You just heard JD from VMP. Super cool dude. Very responsive. I can already tell it's a good vibe from them. I can honestly tell it already. They've literally answered any questions I've had. They've been very, like, informative on what's going to happen, what's going on. And it's seriously crazy, guys. And I'm going to be posting a video Thursday. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a very detailed video as to when this is going down. Find out Thursday for some more stuff. I'm not going to spoil it now. I'm going to talk about it strictly Thursday. And we have some fun stuff coming, guys. You don't even know half of it. The blower is exciting, and it's the best part about it. But we have something insane also happening that's revolving around the supercharger. So the supercharger. Dude, like, what? Vmp Gen3R, boys. Hold on, we gotta do this the right way. Let's do this the right way. Oh boy. Don't get used to it, fam. Don't get used to it. This thing's about to be disgusting fast. Before I actually go any farther into this video, guys, I have to give a huge thank you to the DVP squad and all the supporters that watch the channel and stuff, because that video where I said do hashtag VMP for DVP, you guys literally spammed it everywhere. I wanted you just to do it in the comments section, but I was looking at their posts on Instagram, I was looking on YouTube. You guys went crazy with it, and I gotta say thank you. So with that, guys, let's hit them one more time with a hashtag. In the comment section down below, guys, hit them with a hashtag VMP or bust. You're gonna be bad, y'all aren't ready for it. I tell you what though, it is actually crazy, and it still honestly hasn't fully hit me yet that I'm about to have a freaking beast of a car. And not to mention, I'm going to be teaming up with probably the most respectable supercharger company out there when it comes to content creators, and I will argue that all day. Probably one of the most respectable companies. I'm going to even go that far, because when it comes to content creators, they're absolutely killing it. But yeah, fam, I'm so excited. Like, it's a long time coming, and just over a year ago, you know, we had a supercharged 2 valve making 360 wheel. 3, 2, 1. Like, this car makes more than that NA, and we're about to put a freaking Gen3R on it. It's gonna be a different machine, that's for sure. And for all you race heads out there that might not be subscribed to the channel right now, subscribe, because I am definitely gonna get this car on the track one day. As far as the supercharger goes, you know, we're gonna get that knocked out first. Priority number 1, aftermarket clutch. Priority number 2, MGW shifter with the whole bracket mess. Priority number 3, some more suspension mods that make this thing feel a bit better. Priority 4, one-piece drive shaft. But overall, I am beyond excited just for these next couple weeks. And VMP, I know you guys are watching. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm not gonna let you guys down. We are gonna absolutely kill it when it comes to content. And I'm just ready. I'm honestly ready, and I have good faith in this car. This is the first car I've ever owned that has never let me down, knock on wood.
Hello, it's your Pistons.
I think we're gonna make some moves with this thing, that's for sure. Before I wrap up today's video, guys, make sure you go check out VMP's YouTube channel and Instagram channel, and remember, hit him with that hashtag of VMP or bust. Honestly, such a blessing that a company like this is willing to work with me. So do that for me, fam, and let's just give them a huge thank you. But again, guys, I have all the details dropping in Thursday's video at 8 p.m. Eastern time about the Florida trip, what's going on, who I may be staying with, hint, hint, another YouTuber. We also have videos dropping every day this week, Monday through Friday, with our weekly live stream on Saturday, so make sure you guys are ready. But other than that, guys, I had to go ahead and break the news to you. Don't want to make this any longer than it needs to be. Man, we're doing this. We are actually doing this, and I will see you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later.